Hi, my name is Raymond Ashragi. I'm a design engineer at Smart Modular Technologies. We are working on emerging technologies like Gen Z. The concept of building a low-cost micro-development kit came from the need to replicate traffic similar to a data center. The Gen Z micro-development kit is a standalone platform which includes all necessary hardware and software to run Gen Z traffic right out of the box. The micro-development kit can be used by hardware design engineers to design their own Gen Z host hardware, software developers to develop device drivers and test applications on Gen Z, and also system architects to evaluate Gen Z protocol. Gen Z micro-development kit is divided into two parts, the host side and the device side. Let's talk about the Gen Z host side. The host side contains a full-height, 3/4 length PCIe Orthos ARM host card powered by an independent PCIe riser card with a 12-volt power brick. The Orthos card has a Xilinx MPSoC FPGA with an ARM A53 processor and 4GB DDR4 onboard memory. It comes pre-programmed with Gen Z host bitstream, supports 4 independent high-speed Gen Z lanes. The Orthos card comes preloaded with bootloader, Linux kernel, and utilities supporting Gen Z Linux framework. All software source codes are available through open source repositories. The two OcuLink connectors can be used for external storage. The JTAG debug board allows for FPGA programming and ARM debugging. It comes with a Xilinx USB platform cable, enabling hardware developers to program FPGA with their custom logic. The Orthos card also comes with an Ethernet port to enable remote management, making it easy to work from home. Now let's look at the device side. The high-speed Gen Z traffic host travels through two QSFP to 1C DAC cables. Each QSFP to 1C DAC cable provides 4 high-speed Gen Z links, running at 25 gigabits per second. The device side is made of Smart Modular's ZMM memory module, available in 64 gigabyte and 256 gigabyte capacities. Each micro-development kit can support up to 3 ZMMs, enabling 768 gigabytes of total memory. ZMM memory modules are housed in an aluminum cage, cooled by 2 fans. The ZMM will only power on when the fan door is closed. The ZMM memory module sends data over QSFP to 1C DAC cable via backplane. Multiple backplanes can be cascaded together using 1C to 1C, adding up to terabytes of shared memory. The micro development kit is portable and can be hand carried to your desk or lab. It can be used for developing Gen Z software applications, pre-silicon validation of Gen Z hardware, demo for customers, and industry events. The Gen Z Micro Development Kit has potential to enable memory-driven computing applications. For more information, visit Gen Z landing page on Smart Modular website. And don't forget to check out other videos on Gen Z memory module. Thanks for watching.